Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel Samrat Law Scholar. Today I shall discuss about a new topic which is also related to criminal court practice. Dispatch of FIR to be magistrate and its superior authority. As we know that 4 to 6 copies of FIR are to be prepared in journal and each copy of FIR to be sent to the concerned magistrate and superior authority. And first copy is to be kept or retained in the concerned police station, and one copy will be sent to the concerned magistrate, and one copy will be sent to the superintendent of police, and one copy will be given to the informant, and in some important cases one copy will be sent to the collector and revenue divisional officers. Dear, as we know that FIR is supposed to be an important document and is having significance in the judicial proceedings. As we know that delay in lodging the FIR and sending it to the concerned magistrate can be fatal to the prosecution case if it is not explained. If delay is made, it must be explained. Actually, section 157 CRPC says that an FIR should be sent to the magistrate immediately without any unnecessary delay. The reason is obvious: to avoid any possibility of improvement in the prosecution story and to enable the magistrate to have a watch on the judicial proceedings. And it was held in the case of Ravindra Mahto versus State of Jharkhand 2006, Supreme Court 8087 and Criminal Law Journal 1957. डियर, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं 4 और 5 कॉपीज FIR की तैयार होती है, जिनमें से एक कॉपी हम उसी थाने में रखते हैं, एक कॉपी को हम मजिस्ट्रेट को भेजते हैं, एक कॉपी सुप्रिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस के पास जाती है और एक कॉपी इन्फॉर्मेंट को फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दे दी जाती है। और कुछ महत्वपूर्ण मामलों में एक कॉपी कलेक्टर और रेवेन्यू डिविजनल ऑफिसर को भेजी जाती है।